Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Ram 2500 Rebel Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-function LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Rebel suspension, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seating, center stop lamp with cargo view camera, 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number 904758.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.